After creating your Handshake AI account, you'll often notice there are no projects available on your dashboard right away. That's normal for many new or transferred accounts. This is where link injection comes in to unlock specific projects like Project Hedgehog. Here's the simple step-by-step process most people use. 1. Log into your Handshake AI account normally. Make sure you're connected via a good proxy if accessing from an unsupported location. 2. While still logged in, open a new tab in the same browser. 3. Paste the provided assessment injection link, e.g. for Project Hedgehog, into the new tab and hit enter. It will automatically detect your logged in session and add the project to your dashboard. 4. If the project asks about a GitHub account, simply select No from the options if you don't have one or don't want to link it. 5. Once added, go back to your main dashboard. The project should now appear. Click into it, read the guidelines, and start completing the assessment, practice tasks, or onboarding steps. This method helps bypass the no projects issue for many users, letting you access and work on locked projects quickly. Just be careful. Use the correct link for your specific project version. Follow instructions exactly. We have several Handshake AI injection links for key projects: Project Helix, the Beat 2.0, the Hedgehog, Project Moonstone, and Heteronym. Each comes with clear, step-by-step instructions to inject and activate smoothly, helping bypass onboarding blocks and start tasking quickly. Project answers are sold separately. We customize them to your exact project version after you share details, ensuring higher pass rates and fewer flags. Inbox us your project specifics for links, guides, or a tailored answers quote.
If you spend your time chasing butterflies, they'll fly away. But if you spend your time making a beautiful garden, the butterflies will come to you. When you focus on improving yourself, everything you want will come to you.
Once you click the link, press apply now. Because you don't have an account, you sign up. So next, here you continue without a scroll. Then you sign up. Fill your first name, last name, and password. It will then send you a confirmation email. Confirm email. After confirming email, you'll upload your resume. The site will analyze the resume, then autofill everything for you. For referral code, please use 33 FBDA. Next is verify your identity. After identity verification, you now wait for the invite.
Yo, what's up everybody? Here is a short account creation on Handshake, and you're going to see I'm in Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian, and you're going to see how to create everything. Just continue watching. So right here I'm trying to get the OTP from the mail. I input it there. So now I need to fill some information, so I just have to skip it and I have to put my phone number. I'm going to teach you how to get a phone number too. So now we need to enter digit code sent to the phone number. It has to be like a real phone number in order for it to work. VoIP does not work. If you're trying to use any VoIP number, it won't work for you and you won't like the outcome because you won't be able to add payment method whenever you want to make withdrawal. So you upload your resume. Please note that LinkedIn account is very, very important too. You need to have your LinkedIn account. It is very important. If you check my LinkedIn URL, I'm sure you're going to see that I'm in Nigeria and I registered for the account successfully. So immediately once I finished creating accounts, they invited me to a project. So I had to view the invite and accept it, but I need to verify the account first. Immediately you see something like this, you need to verify your account first, since it's new account. So that this is where the work starts. This is where you're going to do all the skills that you need. Even before you start creating this account, there are some things that you need to do. So let's begin the onboarding for the account. There are still many things that you need to do before you start creating an account. There are browsers, there are residential proxies that you need to use in order for it to work very well. So we need to sign the confidentiality agreement. So I'm signing agree to the account, and all I need to do now is verify my account. And by verifying, I'm going to continue on my phone. So you're not going to be seeing it because I don't want you to see the ID I'm using, but I'll attach it a little bit in the video. And you see the next screen you see is this is my account getting verified. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link in my bio or send a message. I'll be attaching my number in at the end of the screen so that you can see it and you can contact me and we'll guide you. Thank you.